In the given question, there is a DRAM given, the size is 1M cross 1, and they have given that requires 4 milliseconds for a refresh. The DRAM is having total 256 rows, and now they have asked that what is the time which is required to refresh a row in microseconds. So totally my DRAM refresh time is equal to 4 millisecond. Now if I want to know that what is one row refresh time, then I'll divide this time by 256, just because I am having 256 rows. So 4 milliseconds divided by 256. So it will be 4 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 256. So let's say I'm just multiplying and dividing 1024. Then it will be 2 to the power 8, 2 to the power 10. So it will be 4 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 divided by 1024, and it will be 16 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 1024. If I'll take 1024 as 1000 only, so when this 1000 will go up, it will become 10 to the power minus 6. So the answer will be around 16 microseconds. If you are not taking this 1024 as minus 6, 10 to the power minus 10 to the power 3, then answer will be something 5.6 or something, 15.6, sorry. So answer can be between 15.6 to 16 microseconds. This is my answer.